Struggling with a touchscreen that won't cooperate can be frustrating, especially in a high-tech car like Tesla. Maintaining and troubleshooting the touchscreen is crucial for ensuring your vehicle functions properly and enhances your driving experience. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to effectively reset your Tesla screen, helping you resolve common issues such as unresponsiveness or glitches. Let's get started on getting your touchscreen back to its best condition. To start with the soft reset, which is often the first step in troubleshooting minor glitches, you'll need to be seated in the driver's seat with the car in park. Begin by pressing and holding the two scroll buttons on the steering wheel while keeping your foot firmly on the brake. Hold these buttons until the Tesla T logo appears on your touchscreen, which typically takes about 10 to 15 seconds. Once the logo displays, you can release the buttons. The system will then take approximately 1 to 2 minutes to reboot. During this process, it's normal to see the screen turn off and then back on. This indicates that the reset is correctly underway. After the reboot, your touchscreen should be responsive and function as expected, resolving any minor issues you were experiencing. If a soft reset doesn't resolve the issue, you might need to perform a hard reset, which is a more comprehensive solution for persistent problems. To conduct a hard reset on your Tesla, start by navigating on your touchscreen to Controls, then Settings. Proceed to Safety and Security, and select Power Off. Confirm your choice to shut down the vehicle completely. It's crucial to ensure your car is parked safely, as this process is similar to turning off a computer. After powering off, wait approximately 2 minutes before pressing the brake pedal to turn your car back on. The systems should start up as usual. Opt for a hard reset if the touchscreen remains unresponsive or glitchy after attempting a soft reset, as it can address issues that a simpler reboot fails to fix. That's it for the video. I hope these steps helped you solve the issue with your Tesla's unresponsive touchscreen. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tech tips. Also, if you have any questions or additional tips that worked for you, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.